Hey everybody, it's Dr. Fish, is the Mad Scientist. Guys, today I made the do-it-yourself homemade light that can last for hours. This is a very simple build, but a very important one. Because if you're in a jam, for example, if you lose power or you get caught out in the woods in the dark, you're going to wish you had a Ziploc bag filled with 10 to 20 of these. This is a very simple build. All you're going to need is a 9-volt battery, a switch, some electrical tape. What's unique about this LED light is it can withstand up to 9 volts, whereas normal LED lights can only withstand up to 3 volts. Remember, when hooking up a switch, positive to positive, negative to negative, the same with the light. This is the homemade light on. This is it off. It's very, very bright. This will help you guys in a jam. Make a bunch of them, like 10 to 20 of them, and put them in a Ziploc bag. Look how bright it is. This is a do-it-yourself homemade light that can last for hours. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Dr. Fish out.